Hello world. I got 6 days ago this comment. Hi master, how are you? Blah 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 blah. I got some texture problem while exporting blend files to either FBX or OBJ. Could you make a video about that? Took a while to make it. Well, I tried to make it on the fly, but I ran into some issues too, so I'm doing it kinda late. Not late, 6 days ago, it's not that late. Okay, well, probably he means that how to save texture inside the blend file so you wouldn't miss it. It's also a Blender issue. It could be a Blender issue when you move texture to other place or move like kinda changing the file's structure, folder structure. Textures might disappear. And also, yeah, it's important to export textures to FBX, but it could be it's tricky. That's one thing for sure. It's very tricky. So in order to avoid this kind of situation, pink box, that means it lost textures. What you gotta do when you have a 3D model with texture, you have to do this thing. Go to the file, external data, and pack all into a blend. After you do that, the Blender file saves copy of the texture inside its blend file. You know what I mean? It's just copying that texture, but it's still just in a blend file. It's like changing path. It's removing path to checker file, existing path to whatever you put it, and creates copy of the actual texture inside blend file. And in order to save it into export it to FBX, I'm not sure. I don't know about OBJ, but FBX does that. Well, first you do this, pack all into a blend file. Okay, it's lost it. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, because in order to make a example, this pink to have this pink cube, I actually removed it. So I'm gonna have to. Okay, yeah, I copy it one more time, so on my desktop, so it should be there. So now we shouldn't have that problem. Pack all into data. Yes, one item is packed, and in order to export into FBX, go to export FBX, and let's let it be somewhere on a desktop. You gotta do this thing, go to the path mode and change from auto to copy, and you have to click here in this little box to turn it like to blue in this like copy symbol. And after that, if you export this cube, if you upload this cube, for example, to a Sketchfab website, it should be with textures. You won't. You're not gonna have to upload textures manually. Well, when I'm uploading textures manually, I mean when I'm uploading mesh to a Sketchfab, I still upload textures manually because the pipeline is not completely fixed over there, because for example, if you need roughness and metallic and normal map, it's sometimes it's messy. So personally, I upload files separately, like a mesh upload. First upload mesh into a SketchUp, and only later I upload one by one textures. Yeah, it's time consuming, but I don't see the way around it yet. Maybe they will fix it. Well, okay. I hope it was useful. Till next time. Bye bye.